Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can deactivate your Facebook. So first of all, open your Facebook and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now on the bottom part of the screen you will see three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy option. Now again tap on settings. Once this page opens up, tap on the first option, which is personal information. Now tap on manage account option. Now here tap on deactivate. So now you need to enter your password to deactivate your Facebook. For this, enter your Facebook password in this box. Now once you have entered your Facebook password, tap on continue. Now you need to choose the reason why you are deactivating your account. These are the auto reasons provided by Facebook, or if these reasons does not fit you, enter your reason for deactivating in this box as well. Once you have chosen a reason, tap on continue. There are few options you need to look for. If you want to log out instead, tap on log out. If you want to automatically reactivate my account, choose the days as well. So there's 7 days, 6 days, that you can choose the day as well. And once you have chosen your date, afterwards tap on continue, which is on the bottom of the screen. Again, read these informations if you want to, or you can skip the part and tap on deactivate my account option. And that's how you can deactivate your Facebook account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.